pets and peepers and pippity dips. I'm back after a 2-day break from me. I know you guys are probably really worried. So here we go. Here we go. For book 1, I need to worry about getting up to... No, I don't even need to get up to there. I just need to get up to here. But I also need to make Beaumarks Island. That's a big one. In fact, maybe I should start with that. No, because I don't have... Well... I could do the large size Beaumarks Island. Okay, so I want to take this here overlay. Is this the overlay? Yeah. Okay, now I want to swap it out. Here we go. Okay. And we can move this around. Make it nice and big. And I really hate that there are these kind of numerical limits on this. That is annoying. Wow. Okay, that's fine. There's a lot of smallish islands scattered around, and this is pretty fast to erase as needed. So let's turn on our overlay. And let's move our overlay. Just roughing it in. Okay, and there's nothing sacred about the hand-drawn map that I've done so far, except that it roughly mirrors the description in the book. So, you know, I'm going to keep the things that are in the west, and things that are in the north, etc., etc. So, cut this. Crop. Yep, just talking to myself like a crazy person. Alright.
For serious stuff? Or are you talking to somebody else?
I'm streaming.
Oh.
I've done that from time to time.
That's right.
Let's see. So High Harbor could be...
Joel, I am so gross.
So, knowing the scale here, so if a mountain is like this wide, it's about 5 kilometers from one end to the other. So I'm not really sure if I want to like just kind of scatter them and then go in and add big ol' mamas here and there, like so. Yeah, tell me about it, Fizz. I'm freaking out every day. Freaking out. Trying to get this done. I'm trying to do, you know, the remnants of an old caldera, just a massive super volcano. It's going right up to the cliff. This High Harbor is right on a cliff. As they erode down. And then there'll be rivers going out all of those major directions. It's like all of these tropical islands have a very similar pattern where there's like a valleys between these like high chiseled ranges. Just the selection. What? I said just the selection, silly. Okay. Never mind. Easy way to do that. Actually, before I do that, let me experiment with these guys as well. Yeah, none of them are going to be able to get all up on there. So these are my mini palms. So any of these I can just add to these particular mountains. That is what I shall do right now. This is a brainless thing. A brainless person can do it this time. That. I can just drag. I'm gonna need to make the thing itself greenish. So I can do that by selecting this. Give me another layer. Fill it with green. Change it to something along these lines. But as suspected, you can hardly tell they're mountains because they're so covered with plants, right? So that's where I thought maybe if I made some custom versions of kind of mist. So we do our little, maybe we do like mountain space, mountain space, mountain space. Then between those, yeah, but these clouds are completely opaque, which if I made them, if I made custom clouds that were translucent, potentially I would be able to kind of separate these mountains out. Yeah, like, yeah. Because what I'm thinking, if I'm always going to want it, but then when they scale, it might be weird. I'm gonna have to do a test. time to get testy. Turn the opacity way down so it's very subtle. Throw this away.
Yeah, it's warmer than tomorrow's high.
Okay, so here's mountains with mist built in. It looks like you can barely see it. You can see it a little bit, but I can definitely bump up that amount quite a bit. And so here's the mist by itself. See if I can placement density turn that up. Okay. The density up, I can get it between the mountains, and that gets a pretty cool look.
Looks cool.
So, what if these are way huger than they should be? Oh wait. So I want the density low on these big guys. I guess not that low. Scale this up. Density high. It looks like it's only within its own kind, so that's cool. Yeah, nice. Okay. Alright, well, I feel like I've figured out a way to do some. Let me actually, real quick, let's color this land. I think I'm going to experiment with pumping the mist behind these particular mountains just to see if that helps. Although maybe I guess it's good to have, to be able to say this is a definite ridge line, right? Here's a definite ridge line. Alright. Yeah, I'm too tired to think of a good, like, hey, go do this thing, or let's go look at another stream. Yeah, I'm just too tired. Sorry. Okay, bye guys.